If you are planning to record your videos with an iPhone 14 Pro, or for that matter any iPhone, be it 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 or any variant of it, whether it is Ultra, Pro, Pro Max, and want to have good quality sound in it at a cheap price, then Boya by-M1 mic is the answer for you. Now this mic is very nice, very good mic for anyone who is beginning to create YouTube videos, and I think it is a must have for anyone who is starting off on YouTube or for that matter any social media. Now there are three important things that you need to consider before you try to start recording your videos using this Boya by-M1 mic, and I'm going to tell you about it step by step. Also I'm going to tell you about what are the important things that you need to keep in mind so that your video does not have an error in the recording of audio, and what are things that you should be really conscious about while buying these products. I'll cover all of that in today's video. So of course, let's talk about first the ingredients that you need to be able to record your audio. So you of course need the iPhone 14 Pro, or for that matter any iPhone that you have. You need the Boya by-M1 mic. This should be a genuine mic, and again there are a lot of fakes available on the internet. You need to have the genuine Boya by-M1 mic, and you need to have this lightning to 3.5 mm adapter, or the 3.5 mm to lightning adapter, whatever you want to call it. Now this should also be genuine. This should be an MFI. MFI means made for iPhone, so, or made for iPads, whatever you want to call it. So this is made for iPhone certified, and the original price for this in India is 999 rupees. If this is not genuine, or this is not genuine, or your iPhone is not genuine, then there's no guarantee this is gonna work. Now, I'll assume that you have taken every product from the link that I've given in the description. They are all genuine products, and then you have started recording the video. So I'll show you what steps you need to follow to be able to correctly get the audio recorded in your videos. So what we need to do is we need to first take the Boya by-M1 mic. I'm gonna do this demo in front of you over here. Then we need to have this 3.5 mm jack, and we need to make sure that we plug this jack correctly in this adapter. Now we need to make sure that you hear the tick sound when you're plugging in and there's no gap. This is very important because a lot of time this gets loose. It is quite tight, quite certainly fits, but you need to make sure that there's no gap over here, and it goes in absolutely fine when you're trying to record the video. So the second thing you need to do is, of course, this is your genuine product, so you need to insert it in iPhone. Of course, we want to record the audio from the Boya by-M1 mic, and this is all that you need. Now let me open the camera so you can see the camera from here, and you should be able to see my camera screen as well. And as you can see, this is iPhone 14 Pro, so I'm gonna hit on record, and the video will start recording, right? So whatever I'm covering now will be coming from this Boya by-M1 mic, and a lot of people say, how are we sure this is coming from Boya by-M1 mic? Because of course I will play it, but if I do this kind of thing, this will also get recorded in the video, right? So this should really work, and this should tell whether the video is recording or not. I also have Filmic Pro app from which I can show you the sound signals, whether it is working fine or not, but this should really do the trick because I don't want the video to be unnecessarily long enough. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna now play the video. Recording, right? So whatever I'm covering now will be coming from this Boya by-M1 mic, and a lot of people say, how are we sure this is coming from Boya by-M1 mic? Because of course I will play it, but if I do this kind of thing, this will also get recorded in the video, right? So you can see that this is working fine. Our video has recorded my voice and it is coming fine. Now a lot of people complain that their voice is not coming, and what is the reason for that? I'll cover that now. The first reason is that the product that you have bought, which is either the mic or the lightning adapter, these are not original. That is the number one reason why you are not getting the audio correctly, or your audio is not getting recorded in your iPhone. The second reason is when you're playing the audio, a lot of us have habit of recording the audio like this. We have got iPhone, we have got the jack, and we have got the Boya by-M1 mic plugged. We record the video and then we try to play it back, but this is not gonna do. This is not gonna work, and you will not be able to hear the audio because you need to unplug either it from here, right? You need to unplug this jack, or you need to unplug the adapter. You need to do either of these things to be able to hear the audio, and it will work perfectly fine. I've done this with iPhone 12, I've done this with iPhone 11, so every iPhone it works perfectly fine. There are a lot of people who say that it is not working. The reason is in front of you. Either it is a duplicate adapter or duplicate mic that you have, or you have not unplugged it before you can start to play it. So it's a very simple thing. It's a really great mic. As you can hear, the voice quality is also great. And if this helped you in any ways, then don't forget to hit the like button. And as I said, you'll find in the description below the links for all of the items that I've talked about.